All right, here it goes. Plug it in. It's not hardwired, which I think it'd be better if it was hardwired, but that's okay. And we're gonna run this up here to there. And I'm gonna paint this all black, so you're not gonna be able to tell it's there. Came in strands like this. Kind of short. Stick them on there with this, and then you have little brackets you can put on. All right. That's not gonna look like that, but I gotta fix that. I gotta there's little brackets you can install. And that's how it's coming. All right, we're getting very close to getting finished. Just a word of the wise, you can only connect 150 feet of these together. If you try connecting more, they just simply won't work. So I just had this gap that's open, and now I have to start a whole new box with plugs. So that's fun, but it is what it is. So.